Alright, YouTube, today I'm going to teach you how to play Serving a Living God. I am serving a living God. Amen. So I'm going to teach you how to play it in a rhythmical way. Oh, I am serving a living God. Amen. I'm going to teach you how to play it. So pay very attention for you to understand how my hand moves. How my hand moves. The chord is 1, 4, 5, because we are serving. Let's go. Let me use metronome to play. I don't have beats. Walking in the middle, I am walking in the middle. Oh, I am serving a living God. 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 Oh, I am serving a living God. I am serving a living God. If you try to play this thing from Monday to Sunday, you're not going to learn it. So today I'm going to teach you some of the rhythm that I play, or something like this. I am serving a living God, walking on the middle. I am serving a living living God, amen. I am serving the living God, amen. If you cannot play it in this method, I am serving the living God, I am serving the living God. Oh, I am serving the living God. I am serving the living God. Oh, I am serving the living God. I am serving the living God, I am serving the living God, But there's one thing I want to understand. Is it that as you're watching this video, after watching this video, you just skip it? How do you want to help me? I am daily uploading video on YouTube for you to learn this keyboard. Even if you're not understanding what I'm teaching, can't you just comment there? I have some of my video that reach up to 1,000 something viewers, 2,000 something viewers. I have many more than that, but the comment will be like 5, 4, 3. Oh my God, this is unfair. Even you might check it now. Some YouTube channel have up to 1 billion subscribers, 3 billion subscribers. But my own is just very common. You people are taking my lesson very common. Upon I just bring my time for me to teach you this. If you don't like it, just comment at the below. Don't do it because you don't know how to do it. Just comment there, let me see it. Or comment, I don't understand this place. What did you play? What do you have to do? Interact with me on YouTube. This is how you can help me. I know that I've never offended you. You don't even know me. I'm from Nigeria. And maybe you're watching from outside. So how can I offend you? I just upload videos others upload. Help me subscribe there now. Share this video. Like. I want to go viral on YouTube. I have a lot to teach you. If you can do, I'm just teaching this little one. Because the reason why I don't put effort on bringing more lessons is that you people are not motivating me at all. Please help me subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I still love you.